points, but at half-time it is 1-0.
มาลุ้นต่อครึ่งหลังนะครับว่าจะได้เข้ารอบไหมครับไปชิงระหว่างผู้ดับมูลกับเรอัลมาดริดนะครับ
Manchester United leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. The action has already resumed here.
Manchester United really need to go and grab another goal now, Peter, if they're going to go on and secure this.
There's a sharp little ball here. Swept in.
Yeah, it looks like a change of approach, and it may just freshen things up.
And it's Dembele. Shifted upfield. Nuno Mendes. Floated up and over. Mazraoui. To Bruno Fernandes. Mount. Forwards and with intent. That's been intercepted. Asensio. Oh, good spread. Now it's Asensio. Højlund. And here's the chance to counter. And it's Rashford. Now that's well seen too. Interesting here, Jim, how the defence seems to have really retreated over the last few moments.
Yeah, it's impossible to keep it up for forever in terms of the pressing we've seen from them. And I think the opposition would eventually have latched onto that and found a way around it.
Well, that's been cut out, well played. Dembele. Mount. Pass is intercepted. Forward it goes. Oh, that's well spotted. Interesting ball. Højlund. And it's Rashford. Tries to get it clear. Well, it just petered out. No penetration at all. Loose pass, and they could be in. He's through and alone. Chance!
Oh!
It's a goal!
Oh!
Second leg, what next? That really is quite fabulous. All his own doing.
That's wonderful to see. The run was explosive, the finish exquisite.
Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur. Manchester United concede. We're now level here and on aggregate. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. Now it's Carlos Soler. Long ball by the goalkeeper. Kurzawa. Forwards and with intent. Nicely intercepted. Ahmad. Mount. Mukiele clears. You have to say that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Now it's Mbappe. I sense he's got the shot away.
สวยละเอาไม่อยู่
Goal! Paris Saint-Germain. And that gives them
เรียบร้อยครับโอ้โหจบเสมอสกอร์นี้เราก็ยังตกรอบโอ้เอาไม่อยู่ข้างหลัง
Quick, decisive and unerring. A textbook example of how to turn defence into counter-attack. That'll do for me every time.
Manchester United trail by one in this match and on aggregate. Dembele. Menu. Rashford threads one in.
โอ้มันทั้งดึงทั้งโอ้ย
unnecessary urgency, but it's potency they need.
Gently done. Carlos Soler. We expected better, and so did he.
Paris Saint-Germain clearly have been instructed to kill this off. Offence is the best form of defence.
จานโอ้โหเล่นบอล
Fabian
นะ
Ruiz, he's the guilty party there.
หลังไม่วิ่งแล้วชอวิ่งไม่ได้แล้วไม่ทันแล้วครับ10 นาทีนี่ต้องยิง2 ลูกอ่ะถ้าจะเข้ารอบ
Manchester United can make their change now with a break in play. Change being made here, presumably to tighten their defence.
Look, only time will tell now if this is the right decision, but at least the manager hasn't done. You know, he's reacted quickly and it needed
Rashford.
that.
Great chance!
ต้องยิงอีกลูกนะครับเหลือ5 นาทียิงยังไงวะเนี่ย
The whole thing shifts once more. Terrible error, duly punished. 2 goals on the day, and he may not yet be done. Manchester United draw level on the night and on aggregate.
The first leg meant an awful lot to them, but
That's clear cut, it's a free kick. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge.
วิคีลูกนี้โดนแน่จานเล่นปารีสหรือเปล่าเนี่ยพลาดผมแท้ๆโดนแน่ดอกนี้ไม่รอดไม่ติดกำแพงผมมีโค้ดให้เรากี่นาที ปกติเป็นคอมมาหลายเลยเงินละ5-6 นาที
Up to meet it!
ของเราว่าแล้ว3 นาที
And a terrific save from the keeper.
well, someone's doing his job properly, Peter, that's for sure.
Oh, good ball. Looks a foul.
จานลูกได้เปรียบอ่ะโอ้จานอะไรวะเนี่ยจะไปยิงอยู่แล้วโอ้ดูระเบียบจานเลย
Amrabat. And he's gone backward here. Good spot he's seen. Rashford! He's had a shot! That's going to go a long way.
เขาจะไปยิงอยู่แล้วมันเป่าอะไรวะเนี่ยมันดูผ่าเลย
Well, we can only hope we get an extra time contest of similar ambition, provided fatigue doesn't begin to play a part.
Well, fitness
อ๋อมัน
and
ต่อเวลา
fatigue,
ให้
the
อยู่
key
ครับ
factors
ยังมี
now
โอกาส
as we head for extra
โอ้
time.
ก็จะตีเสมอได้นิ้วสั่นแทบล็อกอ่ะมาครับมีให้อีก120 นาที
No winner in 90, 30 more to come. Manchester United did fantastically well to force extra time, having been on the brink of defeat in normal time. In fact, you could say they're the better off of the two teams, at least psychologically. Hits one! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. And that has been cleared. Well, that is good. Super running, sharp movement. Came up against a defender, though, who was ever so determined. Carlos Soler. Pinches it off him. Kurzawa. Shifted upfield.
มันไม่ค่อยวิ่งแล้วครับกดไม่ค่อยไปแล้วเพราะว่ามันเหนื่อย120 นาที
Mount. And it's Rashford. Carlos Soler. Threads one in. Carlos Soler. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. He's been picked out.
จาน
Nothing wrong with that tackle. Ball won cleanly. Aim forwards. Hernandez. And approach the midway point in extra time. Yeah, it is coming down to those last 15 minutes.
ใช่ครับ
A truly
ตัวจริงผมก็ได้อย่างนี้แหละ
affair.
เดี๋ยวผมก็ไปแข่งบอลอย่างนี้
To near standstill.
ไม่ต้องเดาทางครับ ไปแบบงงๆแล้วก็ยิง
To make a difference in this game, but you have to pose the question: Is there enough left in the collective tank of either team? And we are already back underway. Well, this really has been an epic encounter. It's an untidy challenge. Free kick given. Hakimi. Hoylu. And Malacia. Floated through. And a header!
เอามาครับ
May just do it!
นึกอะไรไม่ออกแล้วเกมมันเครียดจัดครับนึกอะไรไม่ออกแล้วนิ้วล็อกไปหมด
I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
Manchester United take the lead both in this match and on aggregate.
If they can manage to keep this momentum in their play, it'll go a long way towards helping them stay in front.
Bruno Fernandes. He really is being given no time to think on the ball now.
Yeah, they're certainly getting much tighter to him now. At least the message was received.
Oh, that's a foul in a dangerous area. They're taking a moment to consider their options. Oh, great pass, that hit! Oh, that was no routine save.
Rashford is offering a right smile there.
Well, the number 3 coming up.
Manchester United can afford to settle on seeing this one out by running down the clock, I think.
Bruno Fernandes. He's in plenty of space here. Lovely feet. Malacia. He is just caressing the ball. Now then, the ball's come loose. And the shot! Good run, lovely take, but that is where it stopped.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being
เกีย
made
บ
like that.
เกียบรับแต่กลับมาได้ดีเสมอนาที87เกียบรับแต่กลับมาได้ครับ3-2